guys, it's finally spring here and I'm feeling cheerful happiness because it is springtime. When I went out in the morning, I felt like I'm happy and I was in a good mood, but then my mood was spoiled. Why? Because I went to the Department of State Revenues, but I had some business to finish, but it was unfinished. So I have to go there twice, second time. As you see, it's melting and it is getting warmer and the days are getting longer. But I don't like when my shoes are very dirty. You can find a puddle everywhere. So now I'm going to the bus stop, and as you see, I just need a boat to sail. So that's what I don't like about my city. So now I'm at the wedding party.
Келіп жүр келін жөніңіз, мен айтқан бір сөзіме қарсылық қылмай көніңіз, иіліп сәлем беріңіз, иіліп сәлем беріңіз. Сұрап алатын болдық ау, иіліп сәлем беріңіз.
Nauryz is a very important holiday for Kazakhs. It is celebrated several days starting from 21st of March. It is the beginning of a new year. Nauryz symbolizes friendship, happiness, and love, wealth.